the POCO X8 Pro and the Tecno POVA Curve to 5G. Which device is going to be better when it comes to performance, benchmarking test score results and daily usage? Let's find it out. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. We have already performed all of them and we will just have a quick look on the test score results. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So POCO X8 Pro scored 2.198069 million points and Tecno POVA Curve to 5G scored 787,883 points. So the POCO X8 Pro is scoring nearly 3 times more points compared to POVA Curve to 5G, and that's why the POCO X8 Pro is the winner when it comes to AnTuTu Benchmark. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and in all of these four, performance of POCO X8 Pro is better compared to POVA Curve to 5G. So in AnTuTu Benchmark, POCO X8 Pro is the winner. If we go to the Geekbench 6, so this test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So POCO X8 Pro scored 1519 single core, 6607 in multi-core, while POVA Curve to 5G scored 992 in single core and 2910 in multi-core. So once again, the winner is POCO X8 Pro. If we go to the GPU test, in this POCO X8 Pro scored 13,121 and Tecno POVA Curve 2 scored 2,378. So in the GPU test as well, the winner is POCO X8 Pro. Now if we go to the AnTuTu AI test, that gives the idea about the AI capability of the device. So the POCO X8 Pro scored 202,679 and POVA Curve 2 scored 12,418. So as you can see, the difference is massive when it comes to AI capability between these two smartphones. And once again, the winner is POCO X8 Pro. Here you can compare the individual test score result, and in all of them, performance of POCO X8 Pro is better. So now if you go to the last test for today, and that's 3D Mark, this test is also divided in multiple parts. So if we go to Steel Nomad Lite, in this POCO X8 Pro scored 1254 with 9.29 average FPS and Tecno POVA Curve 2 scored 278 with 2.06 average FPS. So in Steel Nomad Lite, POCO X8 Pro is scoring nearly 4 times more points compared to POVA Curve 2 5G. Now if we go to the Wildlife Extreme, in this POCO X8 Pro scored 4,318 with 25.86 average FPS and POVA Curve to 5G scored 670 points with 4.02 average FPS. So once again, the winner is POCO X8 Pro. And now if we go to the Wildlife, in this, as you can see, POCO X8 Pro totally maxed out. It's that powerful. And POVA Curve to 5G scored 2,505 with 15 average FPS. Here you can see in the frame rate section of POCO X8 Pro that average FPS was from 54 FPS to 100 FPS. So even if we consider the lowest 54 FPS, it's nearly 4 times more compared to the Tecno POVA Curve 2. So as you can see, the POCO X8 Pro is way more powerful compared to Tecno POVA Curve 2 when it comes to CPU and GPU performance, and you can give the credit to the better hardware. Of course, POCO X8 Pro is also a bit more expensive compared to Tecno POVA Curve 2 that comes with its own unique features like huge battery, bigger screen. But if you want a smartphone with better hardware, better performance, especially when it comes to gaming, then the POCO X8 Pro is the better option. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.